Rando is here, and tonight we have another special safe and sane demo for you. And what do we got tonight? We got a choo-choo. Choo-choo. Well, actually, it's called Steam Locomotive. It's a choo-choo train. It's an engine. And it's got really cool effects, but we're going to tip it up a little bit here. And we're going to go this way. And it's by Red Lantern Fireworks. Steam Locomotive. Caution, showers of sparks. Yeah. All right, so here we go. Look at this thing. This thing is so cool. So down here it tells you about all the cautions. You know this one. Light fusing away. All right, now coming around. Here it is on the opposite side. Nada. Back over here, you can see safe and sane. Red Lantern, baby. But you know what? There is absolutely no performance. So that's okay. I think we're going to get a blast from here, here, and here. So let's meet you out on the street pad tonight. And let's rock and roll with the Steam Locomotive. All right, we're at the train station, BBQ Rando station. Here in the background, you can see Red Lantern's Steam Locomotive. There we go. Choo-choo. Oh my God. That was awesome alone. Let's give it a moment. Give it a moment. Don't let me down. Yes! Ho, ho, ho. Hold on. Holy jeez. Did you see that? Locomotive!